doing a bit of a flower garden. I know you can buy ready-made flowers, etc., but all the old stations used to have a flower bed, didn't they? The red, white painted rocks around. Well, I use these tufts of grass and stick them in. I know those are a couple of larger ones, but stick them in and just dab a bit of paint on. We'll see, I've used red and yellow there, but it's just a nice touch. Done one down here as well. It just adds a bit of something. Other thing I was going to show you, and I warn you all, I don't know any of you has had to go at these ratio plastic kits with the canopies. Well, must be about 100 pieces for just doing half. That's only half. I give up in the end. I had to improvise, and I glued it to the side of that building. I couldn't get it straight, and oh, the girders inside. But anybody that's done one will know what I'm talking about. But we got that station area done now. I've used the Pico platform edging. You just paint it in grey and then make your own platform up, which I did with card. It's already got the white and got the edge in, so you just paint it white. I used one of the old home bit on canopies there. I think that's a ratio one as well, that building there. I did that a few years ago. But yeah, we're nice little pair of country stations there now. We've got all this end more or less done now. No doubt there'll be quite a few odd bits to go in, but a bit more wiring, a bit more electrical work. But it's not looking bad at all at that end now. Adding this dark rust again on the tracks. You saw me doing it last week, but it's not easy doing it actually with these strips of cardboard. Just keep moving them up. So I'm only doing so much at a time, but comes out not so bad then. And then of course don't forget, just wipe the tops. And of course later on go around with the track rubber. See, I've done a little bit of a mound there. I just put some paper down and mud rock over it, and let's use some of that grass, the 6mm length. It just adds I don't know, a bit of depth then, we say. Better than being all flat. So what to do with adding my static grass now. I keep putting a bit down here and there. Get plenty of PVA mixed down. It's strongish, but probably not strong enough for this actually. But I just want to finish this corner off. This is the latest grass applicator I bought. They've got a plastic dish that fits over the strainer. I just peg mine onto the track. And there we go. I'm just doing a little bit at a time, working my way down till watch. Now you're done, just hear it click, and then of course you just put that bit of, I put a bit of hairspray on to strengthen it. I'll just go. That's all I use is the extra firm mould hairspray. I'll take a look at that in another couple of hours when it's drying up a bit and see what it all looks like. Just gonna run around with the track cleaner now. Then we should be able to run a few trains. Do down at this end. We've got as far as putting that tunnel up there. Don't same as I do at the other end there. I put a picture inside, but it's all to be sorted out yet. Possibly going to have a shed at the other side of that. There's a diesel shed. We'll see how we go on. Yeah, 3 trains together in one shot. But that's the effect I wanted here with the curves, nice gentle curves going in both sides into in and out of the tunnels. I'm going to sort all that wiring out yet. And I'm going to get myself a decent curtain round in. Them were some I bought very cheap. They were selling them off at a curtain shop. I think I paid about £10 for a big bundle. It's not exactly the ones I wanted. I just want a plain one. Put one of the smaller engine sheds down this end. Still got the pub there, of course. Another week, maybe 2 weeks, and I could say I'll have this lot finished. And it should be time then for gardening, shouldn't it? It's been terrible weather. I mean, it's Easter now, and it's it's freezing out there. My fish, I think I've forgotten about them. As you can see, there's quite a mess there, and that lot to sort out. As to what goes where, I'm not sure yet.